Hi guys, so just a quick one on how to make the corner of a picture rounded. So I like to use a tool made by Pine Tools. So you just type in rounded corner. You can add Pine Tools to that, make sure you get the right thing. There we go. I'm going to put the link below the video. So all you want to do is choose your file and I'm just going to use an app icon that I've created, and I found that the radius about 60 pixels works nicely. And then click round and done. Quick as that. So I'm going to download a PNG. You can download a JPEG as well, and boom.